Hello guys, first of all, Happy New Year 2025. Today's challenge is completing all the 31 January challenges. This is the target for this month. So let's start with today's problem, which is maximum score after splitting a string. Given a string S of zeros and ones, return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substrings. That is left substring and right substring. The score after splitting a string is the number of zeros in the left substring plus the number of ones in the right substring. So this is an example. Left can be this, or this. Basically, either the left or the right should not remain at least one element. Let's see the explanation. We will start from index 0. Like this would be our first left part. Should be our second left partition. Should be our third left partition. Fourth or fifth. This one cannot be our left. So it is we are with the second last words. We can take the left partition. So basically we would do this using a for loop. 0 to I, the outer loop from I plus 1 and minus 1 would be our inner loop. This outer loop would be for selecting the right portion. This would be for the left portion. This would be selecting the right substring of the main string. So here maximum would be taking left as this one and right substring as this one. All the ones from the right would be 4 and 1 would be zeros from the left. So this would give us 5, which is our answer. This would be a brute force approach. Complexity of n squared. So we have to optimize this. That is also quite easy. We would just take the left part, iterate up until the second last x. For every left part, we would calculate how many zeros we get up until that point using a variable. We will track that information and we will first calculate the total ones in the whole string S beforehand. So that answer would be given to us. We will calculate this using a single loop and then this zeros using a single loop and then calculate the max. We are running a single loop. This is the code. First, we are calculating total ones. This is our result variable, zeros variable, and total size. Initialize the result and zeros. Iterating the loop until the second last variable, second last index. This will be n minus because in range queries always the right portion index is excluded. So if s my I of I minus 1 would be 0, we would increment the count of 0 because I is ranging from 1 to I minus 2 would be 0. And else if s of I minus 1 would be 1, I would increment the total ones because that one now cannot be counted on the right substring of the main string as it is in the left portion, and in left portion only zeros are significant. So I will update the max value of of result out of these two every on every iteration. And at the last I would return this result because that would give me cancer the maximum points I can make out. Let's see if it's possible. Let's do this. Yeah, it is. So let's meet tomorrow. Bye.